This is 220 meters of perimeter LED displays undergoing aging tests, soon to be delivered to a football training facility in Europe. Each unit is rigorously tested to ensure stable performance in real-world stadium conditions. Each display measures 1,600 millimeters by 900 millimeters, with a weight of just 45 kilograms, equipped with ergonomic handles. It allows for easy transportation and quick on-site adjustments. The quick lock system on both sides significantly improves installation efficiency, while ensuring tight and secure connections between cabinets. Featuring a rubber mask combined with a PVC soft cushion, the display effectively absorbs external impacts, protecting the screen and greatly extending its lifespan, ideal for high-impact sports environments. The newly designed hidden cable system keeps the setup clean and organized, reducing on-site clutter and enhancing overall professionalism. With a built-in foldable support bracket offering 6 adjustable angles, the display can be perfectly adapted for optimal viewing, whether in small basketball courts or large football and cricket stadiums. Engineered for performance, built for the game, this is a perimeter LED display designed for real competition.